Hey everybody. So the rule for negative exponents is that it makes a fraction and the power goes in the bottom of the fraction. So why does that happen? Well, if we go back to this idea that I shared with you in the video about zero exponents, okay, you have 10 to the second power is 100, 10 to the third power is 1,000, okay, 10 to the first power is 1. No, 10 to the first power is 10. 10 to the 0th power is 1. There we go. Okay, so in what I described in the other video was that if you look at the pattern, we're taking off a 0 every time. But let's get a little more specific about mathematically what's happening if we take a 0 off of power 10. Okay, um, you know that 100 divided by 10 would equal 10. Okay, is 1,000 divided by 10 equal to 100? Yeah, check it on a calculator. Okay, 10 divided by 10, that's 1. We know that. Okay, so what happens if you keep going? What's 1 divided by 10? There are a couple ways we could write it. I'm going to write it like this, 1/10. Okay, I could write it like this if I wanted to, 0.1. That'd be the same thing. But either way, that's 10 to the negative first power, 1/10. Okay. What if I took 1/10 and divided by 10? Okay, and this is a good thing to review. 1/10 divided by 10, we would have to change flip to divide the fraction. If you flip 10, it becomes 1/10. And guess what? We multiply straight across. We get 1/10 times 10. Okay? And actually, it's going to be better if I write it 10 times 10 because guess what it is with exponents usually? This is how we write it. 1/10 to the second power. It's 10 times 10. Okay, so 1/10 to the second power is the same as 1/10 divided by 10. All right, so if we keep going with this, 10 to the negative third power, we could write as 1/10 to the third power. Okay, it's 1,000, 1/1,000. Okay, but so that's the rule, and that's kind of why the rule happens the way it does. So negative exponents are going to turn the power into a fraction. The power with the exponent is going to go in the bottom of the fraction. And then once you do that, the exponent becomes positive. So which of the following is developed to be equivalent? They give you choices, okay? But what you're looking for is what was the power that resulted in this fraction 1/8 to the fifth. Okay, so now we'll do it backwards. Okay, the base is 8. The exponent was a negative, and that's why it went to the bottom of the fraction. Okay, these are from your quick check. Okay, this is quick check item 1. Look at item 3 here. I'm going to use 2 of the rules. So we've got 13 to the negative fifth times 13 to the negative 11th. And I'm going to start here with the product rule. That says if I have the same base, which I do, the base is 13, I can add the exponents, negative 5 plus negative 11. Okay, that gets me 13 to the negative 16th power. Okay, and then to apply this negative integer rule, I'm going to make a fraction with a 1 on top. 13 is going to go on the bottom, and then the power is going to become positive. It's going to be the positive 16th power. All right, good luck with these guys. These are hard, so take your time. Okay, don't rush through this one.